Hello, lovely people. This is Sharanya, and welcome to another episode of Ka-pore by Moumita. In this particular episode, this is the episode 2 of the pocket friendly range. So, I'll be showing you 4 sarees which are in your easy on your pocket, and these will be all in handloom cotton. And if you like to book any of the sarees, do share a screenshot with us in the number provided or DM us a screenshot, and we will be happy to help you out with all payment and booking related queries. Also, most of the pieces that I'm showing has color options. You can also ask for the color options. And if you want to see the entire collection of the budget friendly, pocket friendly range, do go to our Facebook channel where we have done a live on that. You'll find it on the recent, we have uploaded 3 lives recently. One of them we have covered this particular cotton range. So you can see there the entire collection together. Today I'll be showing you 4 of these sarees. So let's start with the first one. The first one is a very loved piece by us, which we used to make long back, and we have relaunched the collection. This is a mercerized cotton saree, very smart, very minimal, and it's a beautiful fabric to drape. They are so comfortable and easy to manage. It's mercerized cotton, and then it has a satin border in dual tone. This I'm showing you the green one. We also have a maroon, a wine, another blue. These colors are available, and since we have relaunched it, it's under making. More colors will be developed shortly. This is the first piece of this saree, and this is a very loved piece by all of us. It's a very smart piece. You can see that is the palla in the beige. The blouse piece will have the same beige tone, last 1 meter. So it's a 6.5 meter saree with the last 1 meter as the blouse piece, which is similar to the palla. And then the entire body, you have this rich mercerized cotton luster throughout the body, and the very smart satin border with woven temples along it. This is a very smart satin border in dual tone. Along with that, the same color of yarn used, same as the palla, to do this beautiful woven temples. The price of this saree is 2835. 2835 is the price of this one. Mercerized cotton in a very smart weave. This is the saree, and we have color options in this one. So if you want to book this particular piece or want to see the colors available in this, do connect with us, and this is your entire look. This is the first saree for today. 2835 is the price. Moving on, this is a single piece saree. We don't have color options in this. This is a very unique single piece in cotton jamdani, and the entire jamdani is done in a very unusual bird motif. Very unusual bird motif used to do the entire jamdani. This will be your bottom border, which is done in black. Then there is a portion of beige in it. Then there is a portion of lighter beige for the body, and this is your top border, which has beige, and then the work is done using a shade of brown. This is your top border, and in the palla you have the same bird motif detailing along a panel of ghicha. This is a panel of ghicha, and on both the sides you have the bird motif jamdani in the palla, and throughout the body you have this tiny raindrop buttas, with a detailing of white in the middle. This is your sari. This is a very unique piece. Usually jamdanis are done in floral motif, geometric motif. this this one is a bird motif jamdani, and the last 1 meter is your blouse piece without the buttas and with the jamdani border on either side. Either side has the jamdani border. Price of this sari is 4410. 4410 is the price of this beautiful cotton jamdani in a very unusual bird motif. This is the sari, and this is, I must say again and again, it's a single piece, it's a unique piece, and it's really a very classy piece to adore in your wardrobe. This is the entire look of the sari. 4410 is the price of it. Moving on, the third piece and the only piece in silk cotton. This is a silk cotton piece. It's as light as the air. Like, this is such a light fabric, and then it's so manageable and easy to wear. And this one also has two other color options, one red and black and another one in brown. This is the entire sari. It has a jamdani detailing in the palla, a very smart piece. This is your jamdani detailing in the palla, and then the entire body will be like this with a very subtle red selvage and zari border. Red selvage and zari border. The entire sari is this very minimal smart uh, weave throughout. It's like a very minimal plain weave throughout the sari, and then we have added a very minimal geometric jamdani design as well in the palla. This is your palla. The last 1 meter will be your blouse piece. So together it's a 6.5 meter sari. The last 1 meter will be your blouse piece. Price is 41858, 4158, 4158, and this piece is available in two other color option, a very nice red and black, a classy red, sorry, yes, a very classy red and black, another a very nice brown tone as well. If you want to see those colors, do connect with us in the DM or WhatsApp in the along with the screenshot. This is your sari. This will be your entire look. It's a very breathable fabric, and it's a very light fabric because we have used silk with cotton, and this is like a very light and flowy and airy sari. This is your entire look. The last one for today is a hand jamdani in pure 100 count Bengal cotton. This is the sari. This will be the first half of the sari. This will be your long palla with various jamdani motifs along the entire palla. Various shapes of jamdani motif along the palla, some floral, some geometric. And then as you move forward to the body, this is how your buttas change, and then after from your pleats you will have that temple as the bottom border. That will be your bottom border from your pleats. This is also a 6.5 meter sari, and last 1 meter will be the blouse piece, which is in running. Last 1 meter will be your blouse piece, which is in running, and the price of this sari is 5250. 5250 entire first half of the sari along the till your pleats. You'll have this beautifully done abstract jamdani motif. This is hand jamdani. This is not jacquard jamdani. And after that, from your pleats, you will have a temple jamdani border. That is also done in hand and not a jacquard jamdani work. So you'll have temples in the border, and throughout the body you will have this jamdani work. And last 1 meter is your blouse piece, which is plain. Price of this sari 5250, and this one also has color options. So that is all for today's episode. If you like any of the product, you know what you have to do. Do connect with us. Till the next episode, take care. Bye.